What is up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the 15-minute chart. It is looking a little bit bearish, okay? There is a little bit of bearish price action sideways. What is going to happen next? Yesterday, we were talking about this potentially being like an ascending triangle, or an inverse head and shoulder, and we were talking about the $51,000. If we broke with a huge amount of volume and then come back and retest the high and break it, then this would be valid to come all the way to the $53,500. This failed. There was no volume at all. So now what can we expect for Bitcoin? Well, this is what we're going to talk about in today's episode. And also Ethereum looking a little bit bearish, breaking this major support. I think we are going to come back down to the $3,600 range, okay, to retest this support level. We're just about breaking this major resistance. The target was met from yesterday's pattern here. We talked about this as a bump and run kind of scenario, okay, getting this lower part all the way to the resistance, or from this lower part without counting the wick to this resistance, and from the breakout, guys, we actually met the target just below the $4,200 range. Now, it does look like that this support is not going to hold and we are going to drop lower. We'll be discussing this in today's episode. This is the 15-minute chart, so I'm going to be very quick. The ADA price target was met, the $2 that we've been talking about. I've been showing you my trade. I closed my trade at $2.05, guys. So my ADA trade has been closed. If you did take that trade, guys, congratulations, you made insane profits. If you are interested in trading, make sure to check out the Femix bonus now, $2,000, and if you use my link in the description, $2,200, okay, guys, all depending on what you're going to deposit. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And said this, let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. Not financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the chart. Alright guys, this is going to be a quick weekend update. We can clearly see that the price of Bitcoin is looking very, very choppy to the downside. This major resistance at the $51,000 range was failed as a breakout. We can see that we were talking about this in yesterday's live stream. Okay, we wanted some volume, a breakout, a retest of the support, and then breaking the high here from the breakout. This did not happen. We failed and we came back down. Okay, we can see the 51,000 is clear resistance. Okay, we can see here also in the past from this inverse Batman pattern. Okay, right over here we can see it's clear resistance. So we need to break the 51,000 to become bullish again. But we can see we have this major drop here. Boom. Now we have this sideways action. This could actually be like a bear flag or a bear pennant. So we could come to lower levels, guys. I want to think, okay, I'm going to stick with my prediction, which is this huge double bottom scenario here for Bitcoin, okay, which would be this low over here, all right, and this one also. Okay, we are going to see if this manages to do a double bottom, all right. So as you can see right over here, we did have this major drop. Okay, we dropped here in the price. We went sideways. It looked like that we were going to come to lower levels, and we finally, did a reversal here, creating this double bottom scenario. So let's see if this might happen in the next coming days for Bitcoin, all right? We have this huge drop, okay, over here. And now it looks like we might be coming lower. I've been telling you that the $46,000 is a major support level with the VPVR. So this should be holding nicely. If this breaks, we are coming down to the $42,000 range, guys. There's a huge gap here with no traded volume at all, all right? So we might have a fall down to the $42,000 range if this doesn't hold. If this does hold, guys, I'm expecting, a nice bounce from here and then coming back here and retesting this major resistance point at the $51,000. I'm not going to show you any targets just yet, but if this formed, we'll be looking at this price action in the next coming days. It is too early, guys, still. We need to see if the $46,000 is going to hold and bounce to the upside. We'll be checking this out in the next coming days. Also for Ethereum, we can see that we are breaking down from this major support level. So the next support level is the $3,600 range. As you can see right over here, we had a huge consolidation phase right over there, and it has been major resistance, the $3,880 approximately. as you can see here with this orange box. So we were consolidating here now for a few hours, but now we are dropping to the downside. There is no volume at all, so this can just be choppiness and be coming back up. It is the weekend, guys, not too much volume at all, so this is not a clear breakout from this support level. Okay, so we could have a fake out here and come back up. But this, if it would be in between the week, you know, with some decent volume, we would be coming back down here to the $3,600 range, in my opinion. Okay, we might be coming down, you know, in between today and tomorrow. This is what I've got for you guys. Let's see if we come back down here and also be creating a double bottom scenario. I was looking at this, you know, we can see clearly major resistance here at the $4,200 range. Sorry, there's a resistance point here, resistance right over here, and resistance over here. And I was looking at this, you know, as a potential nice round bottom here and a handle, but we were just, the price is just dropping to the downside. You know, the handle cannot go lower than 50% of the cup, so this is absolutely invalidated at this point. So yeah, the next thing what we can expect here is creating this huge double bottom scenario here for Ethereum. We need some more price action. It is the weekend, guys. This is the only update that I can give you. Let's see if we can see some trading opportunities in the next coming days. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, make sure to check it out. We've got the latest news, articles, and price predictions. We've got exchange reviews, so you can see the best platforms, the best fees, the best bonuses available. So I'll be leaving the link in the description if you haven't seen my Bybit or my PrimeXbt tutorial video popping up on the screen. Massive thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.